the wind situation near Porquerolles and Toulon area at the waypoint Charlie. We were just racing very close with Paprec and Tourmarouillon at sometimes 30 knots when we suddenly fully stopped and they kept going.
C'est bien, Louis.
Now we have new wind coming in. Hold on. And then they are stopped. So this is just a crazy day.
Okay. Okay. The wind is turning. It's shifting.
Okay, copy.
Just synchronize the tag.
What a weird weather situation.
Yeah, the thunderstorms everywhere right now.
Out here.
At the moment, we have Louis helming. It's normally a bit more brutal when one of the sailors helms compared to when a pilot does. So we're all bracing ourselves for Louis on the helm. So yeah, it doesn't go without a few bumps. Here it is.
But there is shore. Forecast the routes want to go. Something to move, I mean some winds. Make some jibe. Manage to stay under the pressure. To be on control.
Up there.
There is Biotherm, Holcim, Mapei, and Paprec. Paprec also. So we choose a different way, a different course. So let's see how it pays off.
Fingers crossed.
party room. Disco room.
Disco.
Yeah.
You own the stacking.
I do on stage.
Because we said close to. Thank you, FOMO. But now it's properly open.
Yeah. Okay. Blah. Brutal.
What are you looking at, Carl?
Brutal.
I am looking at windy.
Brutal freakers.
I'm looking
Brutal freakers.
brutal figures. Yeah, yeah.
Brutal freaking freakers.
That's exactly what it is. And then the wind fills in around what, midnight? Maybe a little. Yeah.
This guy's still moving.
What do they got?
We just rounded the waypoint Delta. There was a change in the course because of some thunderstorms around La Giraglia. So we didn't go around La Giraglia, but we cut it a little shorter. And now we have 75 miles pretty much almost straight lining to the finish. We are in fifth behind, just behind the Paprec. And yeah, it was a pretty good fight so far. We had some moments of luck, then they had big moments of luck, and yeah, overall I think the weather was really hard to predict. We really tried to play with what we had in that moment. So yeah, a few more hours into Lake 3.